welcome to Ile-Alayo TV on your program Relationship Talk. My name is Princess Adesoye Adiola, and with me is
Hello everyone out there.
Today we are going to be talking about money management in the home, how we can manage our funds as couple, how we can earn more and gain more, and if probably we are earning less, how we can still gain more, how we can use our funds to achieve more in the home. And firstly, I would like to be going to Bukola. What is money management?
To me, it's like a two-sided coin. Let me put it this way: money on its own and management on its own. So it's like two weights are coming together. So let me first start with money. What is money? Every one of us know in our basic schools and elementary schools that it's anything that is generally accepted as a medium of exchange. So what is management? Management has to do with the efficient and effective usage of the available resources. That is management. So money management, in the simplest form, to me, I perceive, is the efficient and effective use of the money resource that we have with us. So I think that is money management from my own view.
I want you to shed more light on the saying that some people, they earn more and they achieve less, maybe within some period of time. What is your take on that?
To me, money management, it has to do with your ability to control your spending.
Yeah.
Let's take, like she said earlier, that some people, they earn more and they gain less. In that sense, that there is one law that says the higher your income, the higher your expenses. But it depends on the way you are able to control it. Depends on the way you are able to put some expenses on check. It's not everything you see that you buy. There are some people that they will have a list that, okay, I'm going to the market, I'm going for shopping, so this is the list, these are what I'm going to get. But on getting to the market, you discover that they are buying off lists. So there are some things that you should put on check, there are some things that you should track if you really want to have an effective money management. And the issue of if you are any less, gaining more, it still has to do with your ability to control your financial prowess. You know your income per month is not up to what everybody perceives to be the average income. I've just advised that it's not every party you will attend.
Alright.
It's not every one bed that you will go, that you will flaunt your gele, you flaunt your flawless makeup. No, it's not every party that you will go there and spray money. And there's this thing that if at all you want to meet up with the standard of the society, I would just implore that you move with people in your caliber. Don't try to, okay, maybe I want to flow with the big boys, with the big girls. I want them to know, okay, we are there now. We they reign, now we that they talk about. No, you don't need to do that. If you are trying to impress everybody, at the end of the day, you see that you are just behind. And those that they are trying to impress, they are far ahead. So it's not every party that you attend, and learn how to cut your coat according to your material, not according to your size now. It's according to your material. So if you are able to get those two facts, I believe your financial management will be something to write in about. Now, I would like to sound like an economist here. There is something we call human wants in economics. It's insatiable.
Yeah.
There is no how you will satisfy your wants. Maybe on your list, I want to get a car, I need jewelry, I need this. There is no how you'll be able to meet up with those things. I would just say try and meet up with your needs. Those things that they are necessity.
Yes. Priority.
So if you are okay running after sophisticated materials, maybe you are still flamboyant, it will get to a point. There's something we call point of saturation in economics. That's the point that we even have excess. You won't know the usage again. So what's the essence of having what you will have the excess? So I believe that we should cultivate the habit of savings. Although savings is somehow hard, but it has to do with self-discipline. If you can cultivate that habit and we don't try to flout everything we have, I believe we'll be able to do one or two things at home. If you are using trendy stuff, people will easily know your worth. And that's one thing you don't know. Maybe you are wearing a wig of 50,000, 70,000. People will easily know, oh, that wig is 70,000. But if you try to do things in moderation, people will be like, we love this person, she's always neat, everything about her is pam pam pam, and before you know it, you're good to go. And I would want to say this: have multiple sources of income. There's an addict that says you don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Yes.
So try to have multiple sources of income, and that has been the secret of the rich people. They don't sit down in one angle. They try to step out of their comfort zone. Okay, we are doing this, let's add this to it, maybe it will change face. So don't try to be like, okay, now those who get money, they buy things in bulk. No, let's scrap that mentality. We should be financially disciplined. We should be futuristic with our plans.
Yes.
Let's say, okay, and I want us to erase the mentality of what will happen in the next 2 years, 3 years. No, we might not know that, but let's be projective. What will happen in the next 10 years? In the next 15 years, what will happen? Maybe you are 20 now. When I will be 30, what will happen by then? Let's be futuristic with our plans, and let's have multiple sources of income.
Oh, yeah.
Don't just sit down, okay. And as a woman at home, be financially independent.
Yes.
Not that you'll be dependent, okay, daddy is coming until daddy comes. No. Let's just try and put everything together. Even from that money that you are receiving, kitchen allowance, you can still do something with it. So that's what we are trying to say on the show today.
Alright. So to curb everything, let's try to save, let's try to invest our money, and let's cultivate the habit of buying in bulk. Let's be financially disciplined. Let's work towards achieving great things, and let's think of our children. Flamboyant life is for a period of time, but let's think, okay, when we are no more, how will the children cope? So till we come your way again next episode, be good, leave your comments down below, turn on the notification bell. I still remain your humble princess, Adesoye Adeola.
And before I sign off on today's episode, I want to say a very big thank you for all your comments. It has been motivating us. It has been the one giving us the courage. It's sending us a signal that you are really enjoying the show, and you are telling us to keep on with what we are doing. We really appreciate it for your comments and the opinions we've been receiving so far. Until we come your way some other time, I remain myself, Olajika Bukola. Bye bye.
Bye bye.